Today, we're diving into Samsung's One UI 7.0 update, which has just launched its beta program for the Galaxy S24 series. Along with a few design changes and new Galaxy AI features, One UI 7.0 brings some major upgrades to security and privacy, something we all need in today's digital age. Let's break down what's new and improved, starting with 5 key security features in One UI 7.0. 1. Knox Matrix Dashboard. First up, Samsung is introducing the Knox Matrix Dashboard. Knox Matrix is a blockchain-based security system that links all your Samsung devices, from smartphones to smart TVs, and monitors them for threats. The cool part here is that the dashboard gives you a clear overview of the security status across all your connected devices. If a problem pops up, it will even give you actionable recommendations to fix it. This is a game changer for anyone who has multiple Samsung devices, as it gives you more control over the security of your entire ecosystem. 2. Enhanced Data Protection Recovery Method. Another new feature is the Enhanced Data Protection Recovery Method. This adds an extra layer of security by keeping your data on Samsung Cloud end-to-end encrypted. In case one of your devices is lost, you'll be able to recover your data and restore it to a new device. To ensure your data is safe, the recovery process requires you to verify your password, pattern, or PIN from the lost device. This makes it much easier to secure your data if something goes wrong. 3. Passkeys support for Samsung account. Samsung has also added support for passkeys for your Samsung account in One UI 7.0. Previously, you could create passkeys for most apps and devices, but Samsung account was left out. Now, with this update, you can create a passkey for your Samsung account and use it to log into a wide range of Samsung devices like your smartphone, tablet, or even your AI Family Hub refrigerator. This is part of a bigger shift toward passwordless security, which we'll see more of as time goes on. 4. Auto Blockers Improved Maximum Restriction Option. Next, let's talk about Auto Blockers Improved Maximum Restriction Option. This feature has been upgraded to provide even more control over your device's security. When enabled, maximum restriction prevents your device from connecting to insecure 2G networks or unsafe Wi-Fi. With One UI 7.0, you can block 2G service entirely and stop your device from connecting to networks that may put your data at risk. Additionally, the feature has been enhanced to prevent unintended automatic reconnections to certain Wi-Fi networks and offers protection in Samsung Messages and Samsung Gallery. For instance, it can remove location data from shared photos and block automatic downloads or hyperlinks in messages. 5. Improved theft protection. Lastly, Samsung has made some improvements to theft protection in One UI 7.0. The new Identity Check feature helps safeguard your device if it ends up in an unfamiliar location. If someone tries to make changes to the device's security settings while it's not in its usual location, biometric authentication will be required. More security settings and features. But wait, there's more. One UI 7.0 also brings a new safe install system that works in tandem with AutoBlocker. When you try to install an app from an untrusted source, this system will alert you about potential security risks. Let me know what you think about these new security features in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on all things Samsung and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 gigabytes base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.